Good afternoon, everyone. It's tea time. I love having tea in the afternoon, and it's even better with cakes. Like this one. It's easy to make, and it's just lovely. Let's start by grease your pan and then turn on your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. I grew up with this cake in my house, in my uncle's house, in my auntie's house. This cake would always be there on family gathering. But in my family, instead of using chocolate chips, we like to use chocolate sprinkles. But I couldn't really find it whenever I go to supermarket in here. So I just use chocolate chips because I have a lot of them. Whoops, straight into my mouth. Bake for about 50 minutes, and here it is. I love the edge of the cake. I don't know, but it's always more tasty. I'm gonna enjoy it while it's still warm. It smells so good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next videos. Ciao!